The latest leak surrounding the DJI Avata 360 has exploded across the drone world, not because it's another random AI-generated mock-up like the endless stream we've all seen before, but because this time the retail box looks authentic enough to shake up the entire FPV and 360 camera market, with creators, leakers, and drone analysts all agreeing that the image finally fits DJI's trademark minimalist packaging style. Clean white surface, structured typography, subtle icon placement, and more importantly, it aligns with the company's branding language used across its premium lines like the Mini, Air, and Inspire series, creating a ripple of anticipation as everyone waits for the only missing detail that could determine its success or failure: the final price tag. This single number could make the Avata 360 the next viral must-have camera drone of 2025 or turn it into another overpriced dream sitting on wish lists, especially at a time when FPV drones, cinematic camera tech, and immersive 360 capture are getting more competitive than ever. DJI just rode a massive wave of success with the Avata 2, driven by new creators entering FPV flying, adrenaline-focused pilots wanting sharper 04 transmission, and filmmakers discovering how FPV footage transforms vlogs, travel films, and cinematic content. Meanwhile, Insta360 suddenly dropped its Antigravity A1 drone on December 4th, an entirely new category bending flying 360 camera that instantly caught global attention and opened pre-orders the same day, putting pressure on DJI to respond quickly. So the timing makes perfect sense, especially considering DJI never lets competitors dominate a category it can easily own. The leaked Avata 360 Fly More combo box appears to originate from an Asian region and showcases one of the biggest upgrades creators begged for: 3 batteries included, which is a massive quality of life improvement for pilots who hate constant recharging during shoots. The packaging also features multilingual labeling, including traditional Chinese, suggesting a large global rollout rather than a region-locked release. Based on the leak, reports, insider information, and industry patterns, the Avata 360 bundle could include a redesigned drone equipped with dual 1/1.3-inch sensors capable of native 8K 360-degree spherical video at 30 FPS, plus a seamless switch between immersive 360 capture and traditional forward-facing FPV mode, something no previous Avata has ever offered, making this drone a potential game-changer for filmmaking, travel content, cinematic sports footage, and high-energy urban FPV exploration. The upgraded Goggles 3 are expected to support 04 transmission up to 13 km with lower latency, improved optics, adjustable diopters, and a lighter design for long sessions. The RC Motion 3 controller also returns, offering gesture-based control and better precision, which is ideal for beginners but still fun for advanced pilots. The 3 included intelligent flight batteries offer 38.67 watt-hours each, around 22% more capacity than Avata 2 batteries, meaning longer flights, more angles, and far fewer interruptions during shoots. A charging hub, spare props, compact carry case, and the usual accessories round out the Fly More combo, which fits into a surprisingly small 12x10x6-inch box, making the entire kit highly travel-friendly. Early pricing leaks suggest 6,899 yuan, about $975, which feels like DJI is trying to make high-end FPV and 360 camera fusion more accessible, especially for creators who want the freedom of 360 editing combined with FPV mobility. The first Avata 360 leak appeared in May, showing a blurry prototype being tested outdoors. Even though the image quality was terrible, enhanced versions revealed significant design changes: a thinner, longer body, a lowered top profile almost level with the prop guards to avoid the drone appearing in 360 footage, and a longer tail section to help balance the new form. The color resembles DJI's modern light gray aesthetic, and overall the drone looks more like a scaled-up DJI Neo 2 rather than a traditional Avata. Curiously, The first prototype had no visible top lens, hinting that DJI intentionally hid the 360 system during early testing. The story took a bigger twist on August 14 when Insta360 announced its Antigravity 360 drone, the world's first true 360 flying camera, launching in January 2026, instantly raising questions. Would DJI let another company dominate the 360 aerial space? A month later, a new leak showed a small bump on top of the Avata 360 prototype, likely the missing 360 lens, creating speculation that DJI might release two versions, one pure FPV and one full 360 hybrid. Then everything changed when clearer promo-style images leaked, confirming the official name, Avata 360 inches, and revealing the device's true engineering trick, a rotating gimbal mechanism that hides the bottom lens by flipping it upward during FPV mode, meaning early, Avata 3 prototype leaks were actually the Avata 360 with the lens concealed. This hybrid design merges two worlds, FPV agility and fully immersive 360 cinematography, allowing creators to switch modes instantly, capture invisible drone 360 footage, or dive and swoop like a full FPV rig without changing drones. Each lens is expected to provide 180-degree coverage with 4K optical clarity, stitched via onboard AI into 8K 360 output. In FPV mode, the camera may offer 5K 60 FPS footage and 30 megapixel stills, while the full 360 system could deliver insane 120 megapixels panoramic images. Internal storage might jump to 128 gigabytes, plus micro SD support, and flight time improves to roughly 25 minutes. Solid for a drone with two lenses, AI stitching, and FPV hardware. But the Avata 360 isn't launching into an empty battlefield. The Antigravity A1, with its viral 8K 360 footage, stunned the internet by offering something DJI never attempted, a drone that captures everything at once. Instead of worrying about camera angles, framing, or flight direction, users simply fly freely while the camera records the full environment. In editing, pilots choose the direction, forward, behind, overhead, sideways, even toward the pilot, making missed shots nearly impossible. This freedom is why creators describe the Antigravity A1 as a cheat code for travel vlogs, action sports, cycling, hiking, pets, skateboarding, and chaotic moments that traditional drones struggle to frame accurately. Beginners love the auto-correction and stability. FPV pilots love the cinematic motion without requiring FPV skills. Filmmakers love the multi-angle export, including vertical formats for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. The drone isn't perfect. Battery life is average, stitching struggles near water or trees, and 8K editing requires a capable computer, but the emotional appeal is massive. For the first time in years, a non-DJI drone became the center of conversation across YouTube, Instagram, Reddit, TikTok, and filmmaking communities. And DJI noticed. The Avata 360 seems to be DJI's direct answer. The Antigravity A1 is a 360 camera that flies, while the Avata 360 is an FPV drone that captures 360. One offers calm, automated cinematic stability. The other likely brings speed, aggression, and full FPV control with the option to switch into 360 mode. The Antigravity's retractable landing gear is genius, giving unobstructed spherical footage, but DJI will counter with better transmission, longer flight time, stronger wind resistance, and more reliable ecosystem support. What we're seeing now is the birth of a new filmmaking era, a shift from drones that require precision to drones that prioritize creative freedom. The Antigravity A1 opens that door. The Avata 360 might push it wide open by combining immersive 360 with true FPV flight. For creators who want maximum freedom, the Antigravity A1 is already incredible. For pilots who want FPV speed, manual control, cinematic dives, and adrenaline-packed motion, the Avata 360 could be the perfect match. Two different visions, two different philosophies, but one undeniable truth. 2025 might be the year drone filmmaking changes forever, bringing an entirely new wave of 360 aerial cinematography, hybrid FPV creativity, and next-level travel filmmaking tools that reshape how creators capture the world.